Hello everyone, I am Shavantika, legal intern at Lexis and Company, and today in legal news we'll see how the Supreme Court issues notice on life convict Asharam Bapu's plea to suspend sentence for medical treatment. So, taking on further, the Supreme Court on this Friday issued notice in plea filed by the self-styled godman and life convict Asaram Bapu, challenging the Rajasthan High Court's order, wherein the possession seeking temporary suspension for the sentence in pursuit of the medical treatment was dismissed. The bench consisted of Justice B.R. Gawai, Krishna Murari, and was headed by the senior advocate Siddharth Luthra. Luthra's submission on behalf of the petitioner and proceeded to the issue of notice, stating that it would be returnable in 1 week. Luthra even argued before the court that the petitioner was a 84-year-old man whose medical condition was in dire requirement and needed immediate hospitalic treatment. He presented reports before the court and submitted the treatment at AIIMS Jodhpur was not sufficient as he had been on blood thinners and thereby making him bleed profusely. Luthra had even argued before the court that the petitioner was a 84-year-old man and whose medical condition was in dire and immediate requirement of medical treatment. He presented the reports before the court and submitted that the treatment at AIIMS Jodhpur was not sufficient and he had been given blood thinners, thereby making him bleed profusely. Also, the court asked Luthra if there was any center in particular where the petitioner sought to be admitted, and Luthra informed that the bench he wanted to be treated at the Prakash Deep Institute of Ayurveda. Accordingly, the bench issued notice in the matter. On 21st May 2021, a bench of Justice Sandeep Mehta and Justice Devendra of Rajasthan High Court had directed the district and jail administration to ensure that that Asaram Babu is provided with proper treatment and proper diet and a safe environment, looking to his old age and also his medical conditions. Though the court refused to grant him any relief after the perusal of the rape convict's medical report submitted by All India Institute of Medical Sciences in Jodhpur, wherein he was admitted after contracting COVID-19. Also, the court underlined that suspending the sentence awarded to the appellant in this case would be nothing short than an excuse, because immediately on his release from the central jail of Jodhpur, he would be required to be taken by the state of Gujarat in connection with the case of pending trial, and production of warrant certainly would be enforced. The court also rejected the prayers to set up a medical facility in his village to provide him treatment, while noting that whenever he had been taken out of prison, even for attending the dates of the hearing during the trials, his followers would form huge, would bulk up and come and would create law and order situation. Talking about Asaram's plea, an application for temporary suspension of the sentence had been moved by the life convict Asaram in the sexual assault case. He's aged about 83 as mentioned, who was also facing trial in another case at Gujarat involving an offence under section 376 of the IPC, and presently is in the custody with the said case as well. He got infected by COVID-19 virus while suffering life imprisonment at the central jail in Jodhpur, and as a measure to provide treatment, he was shifted to MDM Hospital Jodhpur and was later shifted to All India Institute of Medical Science, that is AIIMS Jodhpur. In the intervening period, as per his medical reports, he developed internal bleeding, as a result whereof his hemoglobin also dropped to a critically low level, and he was provided for the said disorder, including blood transfusion, etc. um, while talking about the medical reports, the court called that the Rajasthan High Court on May 19th sought a report on the medical condition of Asaram Bapu, um, who is presently undergoing treatment as at AIMS, Jodhpur. Taking into account his medical reports, the court noted, as per the conclusion of the treating doctors of the AIMS, Jodhpur, the condition of the appellant was stable and was fit for discharge. However, it had been advised that the appellant required further investigations and follow up for the bleeding. Therefore, his counsel argued that. That he wished to receive Ayurvedic treatment at the medical facility of his ashram at Pal village in Jodhpur. It was also submitted that in the case, the sentence awarded to Asaram was suspended. He and his followers are ready and willing to abide by any conditions which may be imposed by the court itself. However, rejecting his prayers, the instant application for temporary suspension of sentence was dismissed by directing that the district and jail administration to ensure the proper treatment to be provided to the convict appellant in the suitable medical institution in light of the observation made in the medical reports itself or the certificate issued by the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Jodhpur. That's all for today in legal news. Thank you.